Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for showing up to today's lesson. You're not going to regret it because I'm going to teach you something extremely useful today to level up your Spanish. By the way, if this is the first time you see this face, my name is Maria and I'll be your Spanish teacher today, and hopefully from now on you feel like this. Have you ever heard of the imperative mood? If you haven't, it's one of the three moods in Spanish. The other two are the indicative and the subjunctive. The imperative mood is used to tell someone to do something in a direct manner. Imperative mood sentences are commands. So if you're a bossy person, this video is for you. Now you can boss around people in Spanish. By the way, do you think I give off bossy vibes or not? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, let's start with the first word sentence command, and it's gonna be escúchame. Escúchame means listen to me, or if you want to talk to a group of people, it would be escúchenme. Escúchame. Te estoy diciendo cómo me siento. Listen to me. I'm telling you how I feel. Escúchenme. Tengo algo importante que decirles. Listen to me. I have something important to tell you. One more. Escúchate. Escúchate. That means listen to yourself. The next command is going to be relájate. Relájate. Relax. You're telling someone to relax. Relájense would be the plural if you need to talk to more than one person. Relájate, no es para tanto. Relax, it's not a big deal. Bueno, ya llegamos al hotel. Relájense. Relájense. Well, we arrived to the hotel, so relax. Before we continue, let me remind you to please not overthink the sentence in Spanish comparing it to its translation in English. Keep in mind, not all translations are always going to be literal, and try to learn the full sentence meaning and not the meaning of each little word. So we continue with espérame. Espérame means wait for me. Or if you're talking to more than one person, espérenme. Wait for me. Examples. Espérame aquí. Voy al baño. Wait for me here, I'm going to the restroom. Espérenme. Caminan demasiado rápido. Wait for me, you walk too fast. We can also use espérate. Espérate, which is wait. You say it to the second person. Espérate. Wait. If someone is like, okay, let's go, and it's already leaving, you can go like, espérate. Todavía no nos vamos. Wait, we're not leaving yet. Next one is going to be siéntate. Siéntate means sit down. Pasa, siéntate. Come on in, sit down. And the opposite is párate. Párate, stand up. Párate, ya nos vamos. Stand up, we're leaving. Or párense, the plural. Párense de esas sillas, están sucias. Get off those chairs, they're dirty. Perfect moment to remember that translations are not literal. El plural es siéntense, sit down. Siéntense. Pasen, siéntense. If you're talking to a group of people. Come on in, sit down. Also, remember not to confuse, no confundir, párate con levántate. Levántate is like get up. You say levántate to someone who is laying down. So, levántate del piso. Deja el drama. Get off the floor. Quit the drama. Levántense, en plural, de la cama. Levántense de la cama. Es tarde. Get up, it's late. Cállate. Shut up. This one is absolutely rude, so be careful. Cállate, por favor. Shut up, please. Cállense, que estoy hablando. Shut up, I'm talking. Vámonos. Vámonos means let's go. You're telling the other person, let's go. Vámonos. Like leaving the house to go out or just leaving any place. Cámbiate o cámbiense for the plural means change. Go change, as in telling someone to change their clothes to go out. Cámbiate y vámonos. Cámbiate y vámonos. Go change and let's go. A synonym to cámbiate would be vístete. Comes from vestirse, to get dressed, to put on clothes. So instead of cámbiate, you may say vístete y vamos. Get dressed and let's go. Next one, tranquilízate. Tranquilízate. A little bit of a long word. It is like calm down, settle down. Let's say someone is getting really upset in a fight. You can say, amiga, tranquilízate. Friend, calm down. Súbete, súbete. This one can work if you're in a car. It's like get in. Súbete o súbanse, el plural. The opposite would be bájate, get off. Or the plural is bájense. Bájense del carro. Ya llegamos. Get off the car. We're here. Now, súbele. This one is with an L. Súbele, not súbete, like in the previous example, like get in the car. No, it's súbele. In this context, we use it for music. If someone plays a song that you love, you can say súbele. Turn it up, and it's implicit you're talking about the volume. However, the complete sentence would be súbele el volumen, turn up the volume. The opposite would be bájale, turn it down. Bájale, está muy alto. Turn it down, it's too loud. Sígueme o síganme, follow me. ¿Sabes dónde está esta dirección? Do you know where this address is? Yo voy para allá, sígueme. I'm going there. Follow me. Perhaps don't follow a stranger. Síganme en Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. Síganme en Instagram. Follow me, plural, on Instagram. And the last imperative sentence I have for you today is vete. Vete is leave. O váyanse is leave, but talking to a group of people. Leave, go. It's kind of rude too, so use it wisely. Vete de mi casa. Leave my house. Rude. Váyanse. Quiero estar solo. Leave. I want to be alone. And that's it for today. If you watched until here, it would be great if you could give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to keep watching our Spanish lessons as soon as we post them. Thank you very much for being here. Nos vemos la próxima. Chao.